Good morning. Working on a Saturday. It's for a proper manager's job, and this lady already put another work order in before. It was for her toilet making noise. Apparently there was gurgling before. She brought it up with the sink, and then I called her up. She said everything was fine. It must have cleared. So I'm like, okay, I'll just mark it off on the work order that it's fine since you say everything's good now. If it happens again, just put another work order in. Well, we got another work order, same scenario, but this time, actually, it backed up overnight. The toilet did. I think she said it backed over the whole toilet. So she said something about running the kitchen faucet, something with the bathtub, and the toilet starts making noise, gurgling noises. It's a cold one today. It's 11 degrees. Who knows what the wind chill is. Had to bring the batteries inside here, some of them, because what do you want to call it, my cover, my divider, just pretty much just blocks all the hot air from going back there. I mean, obviously it's not a perfect seal, but lithium batteries don't work so hot in the winter, especially when it's super cold. I'll get you guys some shots. Let's see what the battery is. It's the cold one. It says full bars. I don't know if I believe it. Oh, I forgot to say, this is actually a 4-unit, and it's a 4-plex. So, I'm trying to remember if this is on the first floor or the second floor. I'm guessing it's gonna be on the first floor. So backed up overnight, and I am right. It's on the first floor.
Hey.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah. Haven't had any problems.
Oh, well, that's a good thing, right? Usually when you see me, it's bad news. Hey, is it okay if I record for YouTube? I like to put my fixes on YouTube, if that's fine with you. Awesome.
Yeah. I mean, my boyfriend's in the bed, but
okay,
you can say hi to him if you want.
Okay, sounds good to me.
So, and I left my dishes for the kitchen.
Okay. Okay,
but
no
like
problem.
I said, and then this morning my toilet bubbled over.
This morning?
Yeah.
Again?
Again.
Okay, could you explain what's going on? So I did a crappy job explaining.
No, so when I'm washing dishes, you hear the toilet gurgling. If I take a shower, you hear the toilet gurgling. But then this morning I used the bathroom and the toilet went over.
Okay.
Oh no.
Well, at least the problem's there so I can actually see what's going on.
Yeah.
So
So I don't know if I can wash dishes if you want to hear gurgling.
Well, as long as I have a clean side to run the water. But if the shower does the same thing. How's it going?
Marcus is Brian. Brian's Marcus.
I was called in to help, man, but I'm taking today off. All on you.
Okay.
So normally it loses, like when I'm like in the shower or doing the dishes, it'll like lose all the water and like gurgle.
Okay.
And then
So you're telling me it goes down.
Yeah.
Siphons down.
And then normally it comes back up, but like today, it hasn't come back up yet. So
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to. There we go. That'll work.
So I took out like the rug and stuff in here, so hopefully we get.
How bad did it overflow on you?
Today, not bad at all. On Sunday, the whole thing, I had to clean the whole floor up. So.
Yeah, it's because you're on the first floor, and if there's a clog, it's gonna. If there's a clog on the first floor, somebody's running water above, it's gonna keep going.
So, and I don't know if this matters or not.
Yeah.
The first time anything happened that I thought was a fluke is when they moved out from upstairs. So I don't know if we're connected in any way.
Well, it matters if people are using wipes.
I don't know if anybody's even moved in upstairs.
Oh, so that way that unit's
they've been
vacant?
showing.
Oh, they've been showing?
And I don't think anybody's up there.
How long?
To my knowledge, I don't know.
Do you know how long it's been vacant?
Marcus, what would you say they moved out upstairs? Was that like...
It's so loud in here. Sounds like an airplane. So you're telling me if I flush this toilet, it's gonna back up?
I don't know.
Okay.
I haven't touched it in like an hour. I'm like, I'm just gonna leave this and see. There's nothing in it.
Could run the tub. I bet you if I flush it again, it's probably gonna clog.
Yeah. Yeah, if you run the tub, you'll see.
Because I know you put that work order in, probably, was it like a month ago?
Yeah, and then, because we're not here all the time,
yeah.
So it's hard to, like, know, you know what I mean?
Absolutely. Okay. Okay, problem's fixed.
Right?
Ooh. That's pretty cool.
I'm like, I don't know what that means, but something's wrong.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh no, sometimes it like shoots up. I'm like, okay, oh, there we go.
I shut that water off. So just keep filling the bowl up. Okay. Well, this thing is a 6-footer. So we can go down 6 feet at least. Yeah. First do 3 foot. Everything's so cold I had to bring the batteries. The batteries in the truck this morning because the batteries don't like cold weather. Wish I had a choice. Okay. Okay, that's 3 foot. Then I have to lock it. Okay, unlock it. Well, that's all 6 feet. And we're not hitting it. Okay, we're gonna lock this thing back up. Shove that back in there. Come on. Unlock it. Went down. That's just gonna fall on me. That'll work. I have the water off too. So that's not gonna work. It's going down slow. But it didn't feel like I hit anything. It's probably just deeper in the pipe. Which is expected. Because that's a 6-foot snake, so the 3 foot would just go through the toilet, and then the other 3 foot would actually just go in the pipe, which ain't far at all. Okay. Well, that's not a good sign. not a good sign at all. Good stuff. That means we got roots. But also I pulled out a wipe. It's not coming out. Come on. Wow, it's pretty gnarly in there. So I just see the roots come on the outside. Well, I don't know what that is. Hopefully that's not a flea. So I don't think it's roots. I don't think it's roots. I could be wrong. Oh, it's spreading everywhere. Rising. Okay. We're rising up. My spring is broken, so can't be using that. My spring attachment, that's what I meant. Where do I want to go? I don't like how hard that is. What's going on? Oh, here we go. Yeah, I know, the wrong way. I'm pulling hair out. That means I'm guess we're going by the sink or the shower. caught on. Okay, time for the sectional. Actually, we'll get some more water running. Why is this not going? Oh. Forward. Okay, we're filling up. You don't know if there's a basement in here, do you? I don't think so. I think it's on a slab. That cable. Ooh. Reverse. Forward. Reverse. on something. Really? Guess I should have paid attention if they're old roots or new roots. I'm gonna put a different head on it. You know, I might not even put a head on it. I got through now. That's good. Shouldn't let that go. Fall right in that pipe. Run that water again. Yep, we're still rising. Oh. I got a tarp at the end with a cable. Oh my. Oh, that looks good. Something happened. You filling? Don't lie. Well, I disturbed something. So this thing, it was literally backing up again. It's backing up again right now. You can see it coming back in there. But I think I'm right at the clog. Because now, right when I turn the sectional on, it'll start clearing out. If I can pull both things at once, the sectional. Well, it's not doing it now, but it was. I might go a little further to the end of this. Right now, this is my section, second section. Each section is 15 feet. Okay. Caught something. Run that water again. Oh, I should get a picture of this. And it just let go. That just let go big time. Yeah, it's really empty now. Bone dry. Oh, don't want to lose that. I didn't pull anything out. So unsatisfying. I replaced the supply line. I like to replace them because I don't know how old the other one is. And then I have the wax sitting in the water right now, warm water, because it was sitting on the truck. I forgot to bring it in. Nut right there for that bolt, nut right there for that bolt. Gives me something to aim towards for the toilet. Since we're above the floor, I'm going to use a thin wax ring. Wow, that's crappy. Wow. That looks like it's really offset. The center of the hole is like over here more. Bolt's way over there. That'll work. That'll work. That's really weird. Is that as deep as they can get it? Probably a reason why. the best I can get. Caps on there. Same thing for the other side. Kind of evenly. Good. Tighten both sides up. Sorry to flush this thing how many times. Oh, that thing's really loose. I might tighten that back in the tank up. Yes, I understand you're not supposed to over tighten this, but at the same time it's got to be tight. Look at that. Unreal. I can't even get it somewhere around there. Wow. That's how you have issues. Now it's sturdy. Just gotta clean that up. I was running water. Oh, I guess you should check toilet paper. But we got no leaks. Like I said, checked how many times. So I'm going to silicone this. I'm going to stop back here on both sides. I laugh. I'll run the bathtub too. Run them all, see if we can get this back up. I don't think it will. I like to silicone it, protects my work. So the rack spring can't fail if the toilet don't move. And then I leave the back open. So in case if there's a leak, you can actually see it. Because it'll leak out the back. And that's a wrap.